Hello guys, welcome to Khushi's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare Cashew Chicken Recipe from my homestyle cooking recipes. If you like the recipe, then press the like button and share it more with your family, friends and relatives too. If you are a new friend to this channel, it's a humble request. Please subscribe the channel Khushi's Kitchen. Let's start the video while giving thanks to all of my old friends and also welcome new friends too. And let's have a look to the ingredients which are enlisted for making this recipe. The ingredients list with detailed measurement are given here on the front page after starting the video. To make cashew chicken recipe, here I have taken 1 kg of chicken with bone. Cleaning all the chicken well with tepid water thoroughly and placing it on a rice strainer to remove the extra water from the chicken pieces. After removing the excess water, I am taking the chicken pieces in a vessel. First, I am adding gases cut to all chicken pieces so that the chicken pieces can absorb all the spices very thoroughly, which will be needed for marination. After making gases cut to all of the chicken pieces, now I am adding here some amount of ginger garlic paste, making equally some amount of red chili paste, green chili paste, some amount of refined oil and salt too. After adding all these ingredients, I am mixing the spices well and massage the chicken pieces with the spices thoroughly and keep it for marination for half an hour. Then I am taking another bowl where I am adding the yogurt with little salt and whisk it well with the help of a spoon. Then here I am also adding ginger garlic paste, some amount of red chili paste and green chili paste. After adding all the ingredients, mixing the yogurt well with all the spices. Now I am keeping the bowl aside. Now I am placing a wok on the burner and adding sufficient quantity of refined oil. When the oil becomes heated, here I am adding previously chopped onions and fry until golden brown. Then take it off in a plate. On the same oil, I am adding the marinated chicken pieces and roast it for 5 to 7 minutes until it turns golden brown. Then take the fried chicken off in a plate with the leftover fried oil. Again, I am adding some refined oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee in it. When the oil and ghee both become heated, here I am adding the seasoning, freshly crushed 2 big cardamom and 4 small cardamom. Stirring the seasoning for some seconds. When a good aroma comes out from the seasoning, here I am adding the yogurt gravy, also the leftover oil of the roasted chicken and a little bit water while washing the marinated bowl. While stirring the gravy, cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Here I am adding the roasted chicken pieces and tossing it well with the gravy. When the chicken is cooked up to 50%, here I am adding the fried onions in the gravy with the chicken, stirring it well and placing a lid on it to cook the chicken up to 90% well boiled. Then again removing the lid. Here I am adding the cashew paste. By giving a good and quick stir, I am also adding little bit sugar to balance the taste, and also continuing the cooking process until the chicken becomes well boiled and the oil oozes out from the gravy. After giving 5 minutes of standing time, here I am taking a serving plate and pour the chicken with gravy in it, also adding some previous boiled eggs by cutting them, and garnish the whole with little fried onion and 2 green chilies. Here our tasty, delicious and yummy cashew chicken is ready to be served. Best served with steamed rice, pulao, roti, paratha, etc. Like the recipe, write comments. I am ending today's video here for the time being, and will be come back soon with a cooking recipe video, while wishing you all staying with good health and wealth. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all.